fling, fling, crash, crash, all of these little pieces. I'm Melissa. Hello. And recently our washing machine broke down a lot. Dang it. In my last video, I reattached the agitator assembly. When I didn't do that properly, I created repair number 2, which was to replace the tub cover. Let's see how it goes. Parts have arrived from far and wide. First, unplug it. That's the main thing. Oof, not get a love cramp. Alrighty. Next thing we need to do is turn off the hot and cold water. I'm going to pause here and say that what follows is a series of very unfortunate incidents. And to be honest, I'm not even 100% sure if some of this was necessary. Okay, boy, that was a toughie. I'm going to get a towel to put under there just to catch any drips. Hopefully just drips. Sock. Try with this. Oh, okay. Don't know why it would still be. I don't understand why just tightening this didn't work. Let's see. I'm going to put a bigger bucket down there. What are you doing? Why are you doing that? It's dripping down the edges here. Okay. Put you right there. Let's try this one. Everything. Oh, God. Oh, please don't let this be a disaster. Okay. Now this is going to the cold right here. Dump this into the bucket. Just gonna write on this wall because we're not really worried about how the wall looks, are we? No. Okay. It's definitely like coming out like a lot. So somehow this is not turned off all the way. Let's try it again. Clearly, that's a lot of water. Why won't you close all the way? All right, it was just really, really stuck, I guess. There we go. So, happy to demonstrate. Wow, you need the towel and buckets. Handy. I need to wipe off my glasses. All right. The next thing I need to do is I need to remove the body of this in order to get into here in order to replace this tub cover. And the way to do that is to unscrew these, push that back, unhook a couple things, and then it should be a piece of cake. So this should just tilt back. Okay. So these kind of go up and prevent it from falling out. I've got to clean this up. So I will be unplugging this. Okay, there we go. It was easier than I thought. I just take this little tab here and push it in. There we go. That way it's not going to be attached to the body of it anymore. All right, I'm going to take a second to clean this off. That's a little better. Now I need to take off these 2 clips. To do that, you see there's this little lippy thing right there? See how it's curved like that? It kind of operates like a spring. Pull it forward. Oh, there you go. Theoretically, I can just sort of remove this. The way you do it is to hold onto this base, put your foot at the bottom, and kind of tilt up. Oh, well, that's like so easy. There we go. Look at that dirty thing. My goodness. Oh, another sock. Oh, I wonder if they match. I guess I don't need to clean this because I'm replacing it. though I would like to clean that off. You might be wondering, why do I care about cleaning these parts? Well, I feel like it'll work better. I feel like overall, when you get a chance to go inside and clean these parts up, it's like a good thing. It's a good idea. Okay, I'm not going to go for perfection here. I just want to get this a little less terrible. Let's remove this tub cover. So you see these little clips? Apparently all you have to do is just sort of pop them out. And I thought like this was a completely irreparable problem. Like there would be no way we could keep this washing machine once this broke because it looks so bad. But I didn't realize it's actually pretty cheap. Let's see, there's a tube that goes, this is where you put your bleach. So apparently it gets through into the tub through this little tube. Oh, there we go. Come on, come on. There we go. Out with the old and in with the new. Look at that. Thank you, eBay. We got a new tub cover for about 35 bucks. Oh, look at this beauty. Okay, so you notice how there's this seal right here, this black seal, but there's not in this. I should have that, right? That seems important. So maybe I can rescue this one and put it in there. Okay. Now, remember this tube that goes into where you put the bleach? That's what we want to line up. Line up. This little ridge here sits on top of this lip here, and then these snap into here. So I'm just kind of holding this in place so that it doesn't come out. First, I'm going to line it all up before I actually do any snapping. That looks good. And now just pop these in. There. I'm going to put this tube back up in here so the bleach doesn't just fall to the floor. All right, well, that was easy. Yay. Now I'm not going to put it all back together yet because I've got more repairs which I'll cover in future videos. Well, that worked out nicely. I'm so glad I took my friend's advice and decided to replace the tub cover instead of buying a whole new washing machine. I really didn't think it would be that easy or that inexpensive. So if that ever breaks in your washer, definitely give it a try. In my next video, I replace the lid switch. The lid switch is a safety feature, and if it's not working properly, your clothes won't spin. The washing machine doesn't allow the spin cycle to spin. And that means when you come back, you're going to open up your washing machine and find your clothes have just been sitting in water for who knows how long. So it's definitely something I want to fix, definitely annoying when it stops working. So stay tuned and check that out next week.